Hi everybody. It's Sunday morning, about 10:30 on January 22nd, and I decided to come back to a different part of Grassy Waters Preserve today and try to show you a large alligator that's usually resting in one particular spot. So passed somebody in the trail that said there's a lot of wildlife out, otters, deer. They said they saw a bobcat. I've seen a bobcat in here before myself, but you don't see them often. So, okay, let's head down the trail. Again, we're going to be on the epoxy trail for a while. This particular access point is the Palmetto trailhead. And I don't know if you can see this or not. It says that you're entering City of West Palm Beach Grassy Waters Preserve watershed. So let's go.